family drivers. These are the common family or a professional who drives a car for their daily livelihood, day to day, day in and day out. They just wanted safety, durable, high mileage tires. The first time buyers, these are more on younger generations that who bought their cars for the first time. They're not really that price conscious or could be price conscious, but they are their knowledge or their understanding of tires is more driven, or they got it from the social media. So these are the tech savvy. So the used car buyers, these are, of course, they're very price conscious as well. And but however, they also like branded tires or good tires as long as there's a special offer. Budget conscious, as the name itself, budget, or price conscious, so they really look first at the price and then second at the value or the quality. So actually, the reason why I am telling you all this, because you might be wondering why, how are we going to position Maxis and CST in the market? No, so normally when you launch something, you launch one only, because if you launch two at the same time, it will be harder to differentiate. So that's why I have explained to you first, before explaining the brand positioning of our two both strong brands. Told you about the 5 market sectors or market segments in the Philippines. So for Maxis, we position Maxis as the trusted quality, proven performance. Stands as the premium choice, trusted globally and loved by drivers who won't compromise on safety, performance, and reliability. So that's how we position Maxis. On the other hand, CST is safe, great performance, economically priced. So the same commitment to performance at a more economical price, the smart value choice for everyday Filipino riders and drivers. So together, they allow us to serve all customer types, ensuring we never miss a sale, and more importantly, never miss a lead. And as of the road ahead continues to evolve, the SUV becoming lifestyle choices, electric vehicles transitioning from future to present, and motorcycles remaining essential, our tire technology is also evolving. We are launching today reflects that evolution. Our EV tire series is designed for low rolling resistance, durability, and quiet performance, tailored to the demands of electric mobility. Our SUV tires control or deliver control, comfort, and confidence whether on the city roads or rugged terrain. Our motorcycle tires continue to support the daily riders and with excellent grip, safety, and dependability. This launch is driven by purpose. Not just introduce products, but to enable growth to sales, growth in market research, and growth in our partnership with the tire dealers and with you, our valued media partners, whose voice helps us reach the customers we aim to serve. Let's celebrate innovation, opportunity, and collaboration. Thank you all very much.